Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by ensuring the Surface Pro 11 has power and a working input. Plug the included USB-C charger and charge to at least 20% so battery calibration begins. Once done, snap on the type cover or pair the slim pen magnetically. This ensures immediate keyboard and touch support. Press and hold the power button for about 2 seconds. You'll see the Windows Hello and Setup screens. Follow the on-screen prompts to create or sign into your Microsoft account, so settings sync and drivers install automatically. Next, secure connectivity and optimize system behavior. You should connect to Wi-Fi and enable Bluetooth so the Surface can download critical updates and pair keyboards, pens, or headphones. Once online, go to Windows Update and install feature and firmware updates. The Surface app may push firmware critical for performance. Make display adjustments, brightness, adaptive settings, and refresh if available, and configure pen sensitivity and power profiles. These actions reduce sleep issues and improve battery life. Make sure to reboot if prompted so firmware takes effect. Finally, set up daily workflows and safety nets. Enable OneDrive and file history for automatic backup so you don't lose work. Turn on device encryption for security if required. Use tablet mode and touch gestures when detached, and remap pen buttons in settings for quick annotations. If the unit becomes unresponsive, force a restart by holding power for 20 seconds, then reboot. If problems persist, run the built-in Surface Diagnostic Toolkit or check the Surface app for error codes. That single troubleshooting step resolves most.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.